Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Moto G10 and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number of this device. So actually we've got two different ways to check those unique numbers. The first one is using a secret code and the second is using the settings, so of course I will show you both. So firstly, let me show you the way with the secret code. Just tap on the keypad and let's enter the code, which is *#06#. And as I said, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also a serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK and let me show you another way to check it. You can use it if for some reason the secret code won't work. So let's enter the settings. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on About Phone. And here let's scroll down again. As you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. And if you'd like to check the serial number, just tap on Model and Hardware and the serial number appears right here. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your Motorola Moto G10. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.